If you ever watch Jerry rig everything, then you'll know that a clear or transparent phone case is really cool. I personally want to have that kind of phone, but since I don't want to break my phone, so I think what if I order a custom sticker with a transparent case printed on the sticker. I use LG FX0 as a template. Here is the result. Let's install it. First, let's clean the phone. Once it's clean, we can attach the sticker. For most of phone skin or wrap, it is pretty easy to install. You don't have to worry if you make a mistake at first attempt. You can remove the sticker and correct the sticker position. It won't leave any residue. If there are air bubbles inside the sticker, remove half part of the sticker. Just half of it. Do not remove completely. Then, use your ID card or something similar to remove bubbles. Then you can do the same thing for other half part if necessary. Now we just have to press on the sides. If you find a wrinkle or the sticker seems not stick to the phone, use a hair dryer to make sticker more elastic and softer. If you don't have a hair dryer, you can use matches. Just heat the sticker using match for about 1 second only. Don't worry, it is safe. For example, in this video, I'm using LG Q6 that use plastic back case, and it is okay when I heat it using match for 1 second. So, here is the result. What's your opinion? Is it good? Or is it bad? In my opinion, I'm not too satisfied with the result. If we look it closely, it is definitely look like a sticker, not a real thing. However, if we look it at the distance more than 1 meter, it still looks quite okay. That's it. I make this video in case you think to do the same thing like I did. At least you know what to expect. Thanks for watching. Consider to subscribe so you can find this channel again in case you need it someday. Once again, thank you for your visit.